What's good, everybody? This is Sean from the 757 Renaissance Man. Today I was already working on a video. I was working on a video for this. And then I got this. So for right now, I'm going to do a live unboxing. This is something that I have been looking forward to, and I kind of wanted to record my reaction of opening it up and seeing it for the first time and let you guys know what kind of quality to expect when you order something from Linq. Oh, I've already opened it up. Okay, so transparent. I opened it up, but only enough to see what it was because it had multiple things. So yeah, don't be mad. Sorry about that. But anyway, this is the new Linq Badge, and I am very excited to use it. And it comes with its own lanyard, and you'll see why this is important shortly. That's dope. All right, so Linq always has great packaging. And this is no exception. Yeah, I've been really waiting to see this, so let's check it out. See what's in here. You guys are seeing this the first time, like that's dope. That is dope. I like that. I can't wait to pair this. This is very dope. This is very dope. The way it feels. It's like screened on there. I cannot wait to go to an event and use it. So, okay, I guess let me go ahead and pair this up and show you how easy it is. Like, I can't wait to rock this. I need to go to a con or something. It's my credentials. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's go ahead and pair this up. I want to show you how easy it is to add a new product to the current Linq system that you already have. I will show you how to set up a profile later, but for right now, I'm excited to get to use this. So take out your phone. We're going to open up the Linq app. We're going to go down to products, activate product. Let's activate the product, hold it near it, activate an app. Let's go ahead and use this one with my primary account. And boom, it is connected. So now I walk up to you, I meet you at an event. I'm wearing my handy Linq badge around my neck. Oh, I'd like to talk to you about your podcast. Okay, sir. There you go. This is who I am. And then you can scroll through and have all of my information from my Linq card. Linq, this is so dope. Everybody needs one, especially dealing with these COVID streets. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for bearing with me for a few minutes. But this is my new Linq Badge. It is custom. I am so excited to have it. I can't wait and get out and network. See you guys out and about in the 757. Peace.